I'm going to show you again. This is the lovely one that I did before, that I showed you. You see what happens when you just turn it round? And the difference here is that all the 8 round the edge were one way up and the 4 in the middle were the other way up. So this one, you've got a sides and top and bottom slightly different. You get a slightly different effect. Now, here's a card that I did quickly yesterday. I found it much more difficult doing it smaller. I used the mouse glue for it just for speed, and it hasn't stuck well at all. And I'm going to have to go around to all 12 of the points and put a bit of the double-sided underneath just to be sure they're stuck. Now, you can tell that I haven't done it well because the square that's left over doesn't fit in the middle, but it would fit like that if I wanted to use it. I may use it, I may not use it. This is being a card, I probably won't put a photo in the middle. I'll probably put a design that I've cut out of another old card. So there it is. And you can see that the edges, the 2 sides are not very good. I'm going to trim them off with the guillotine to make it look better. This one is the very first one that I did. I was very pleased with it. And you can see it's made a beautiful scrapbook page. I did one way up either side and the other way up across the middle, as I've just demonstrated to you. Can anybody see the not deliberate mistake? If you study it closely, you will see that one side of the pattern paper had little dots all over it, which is fine. The other side of the paper had straight lines, and I haven't got them all in the same orientation. You see, this side here, I've got them going that way there and a different way, but it doesn't matter too much. I'm sure you're only noticing it because I pointed it out. So there you go, how to do it and where you can make mistakes. I hope you've enjoyed that.